We will use a very special liquid today to feed our vegetable and fruit plants. This liquid will give them all the important nutrients they need in no time. Our plants will become strong, full of energy, and will start producing a huge number of flowers. And after flowers, you know what comes next. Fruits. Click on the subscribe button and also like this video so that you don't miss any important gardening tips. We are going to use Seaweed liquid fertilizer in this video. Seaweed is a completely natural fertilizer that is packed with minerals, essential nutrients, and plant growth hormones. It makes plants grow faster, healthier, and more productive. It also helps plants absorb nutrients from the soil more efficiently, making them greener and stronger. This is one of the best fertilizers you can give to your plants because it works very quickly and provides long-lasting benefits. Now, let's prepare the fertilizer. Take a clean container and add about 5 liters of clean water. After that, take 50 milliliters of Seaweed liquid fertilizer and pour it into the water. Mix it properly so that the fertilizer spreads evenly in the water. This is very important because we want each drop of this solution to be full of nutrients. Once the mixture is ready, we have 2 ways to use it in the garden. The first method is to apply it directly to the soil near the roots of the plants. Slowly pour the liquid around the base of your vegetable and fruit plants, making sure it soaks deep into the soil. When we do this, the roots can quickly absorb the nutrients, giving an instant boost to the plants. This method strengthens the root system, helps plants grow bigger and healthier, and even improves soil structure. When the soil becomes rich and fertile, plants can take up water and nutrients more easily, and that means better growth. Seaweed also increases the number of good microbes in the soil, making it more alive and beneficial for plants. This method is especially useful when plants are in their growing stage because strong roots mean strong plants. The second method is foliar spraying. This means we will spray the Seaweed fertilizer directly onto the leaves of the plants. For this, fill a spray bottle or a garden sprayer with the prepared liquid. Now, mist the leaves properly, covering both the top and the bottom parts. Plants absorb nutrients much faster through their leaves compared to their roots. So this method gives an instant energy boost. It helps plants recover from stress, encourages more flowers, and improves fruit development. Foliar spraying also makes plants more resistant to diseases, pests, and extreme weather conditions. But make sure to spray in the early morning or in the evening when the sun is not too strong. If you spray during the hot afternoon, the liquid might dry too fast, and the plants won't be able to absorb all the nutrients properly. Seaweed fertilizer is very special because it contains natural growth hormones like cytokinins and auxins. These hormones speed up plant growth, increase fruit size, and improve overall plant health. Another great benefit is that seaweed helps the soil retain moisture for a longer time, so plants stay hydrated even during hot weather. If you are growing vegetables, this fertilizer will give you strong stems, dark green leaves, and lots of flowers. If you are growing fruit plants, it will make your fruits bigger, sweeter, and juicier. Also, it helps protect plants from pests so they stay healthy without using harmful chemicals. Using seaweed fertilizer regularly will completely change your garden. Your plants will grow faster, stay greener, and produce more vegetables and fruits. You will see the difference in just a few weeks. So, give this a try and watch your plants thrive like never before. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing gardening tips.